Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and this is a new video at the build desk. Now guys, I would have loved to have done this live, really I would, but yeah, I have a little problem with cameras and live streaming at the moment and StreamYard, so I need to work out the glitches. Obviously it's a completely new setup in here, so I'm going to have a couple of glitches until it's all settled out. So the reason I want to get to this is basically I got sent this by a subscriber. The guy is Peter Webster. There is a link down for his channel in the description below. And yeah, this is a gift from Peter Webster. So I thought, what a fitting way to start the new channel. Well, not new channel, but you know, the new layout and everything off with this unboxing. Now I have had this for a little bit and it's been so frustrating because I wanted to really open this and video it, but with the things in here taking a lot longer than what they should have done, this has basically been sat and I've been answering to open it, but I'm going to now do it on camera. Like I said, I really wanted to do this on live stream, but like I said, I'm still working out little issues, should we say. But that's, you know, that's what's going to happen when you massively change things around. So right, let's get into this. So all I can say is I did open the box. There was a parcel in here for Yorkshire Crafter, which we got out, but I haven't had a look at anything else. So here we go. So I can tell it's very well packaged. Absolute phenomenal. Ooh. Okay. Right, let me just put that box on the floor. Okay, so we have a box with Titanic on it. Right, we've got a little bit of tape over here, so we'll take this tape off. Easier said than done. For me it is. I'm presuming this is something Titanic related. Tell you what, I'll use my little scalpel just to rip the tape and then I'll get it off later. If not, we could be here all night because I chew my fingers and I've got no nails. Okay, so let's have a look. Right, so let's open this up. Okay, White Star Line Royal and United States Mail Steamers. That's what we've got at the top of the box there. Wow. Yeah, beautiful. It really is. Okay, so right, let's have a look at this first of all. Okay, I'll just move that to one side. Okay, so first of all we have a padlock and 2 keys. So that's them there. Wow. Oh, what's this? Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I'm not too sure what that is. I'm sure I'll find out. Oh, hang on. I think. Right, so that's to go over there, and that forms a latch on there like that. Ah, right, okay. Right, so I'll just put that up there. And we'll have to look what's in here. So, now, with warmth and understanding at the time of sorrow, at the warmth of understanding at this time and sorrow, a friendship that is yours for all the tomorrows, happy every day. Wow. Oh my word. I think that's an envelope it can go in, yes. Wow. So look. This looks a very old map. Orient. Okay. So I think this is Indie Orientis. I cannot speak Latin. No, I did Latin at school. I think this is the what you would call the Caribbean. So it's like a pirate map. Wow, amazing. Wow, that is awesome. If I turn it around, guys, let's see this. Wow, that is unbelievable. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Wow, that is amazing. That's lovely. I love the way it's all, you know, it's made to look old as well. Wow, that is amazing. Okay. Right, so that's, I'm a person for tidiness. Right, so let's put this back in here. Wow. Well, so far, thank you very much, Peter. Wow, 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 wow. Watch this. This is the biggest part, and it, yeah. I don't want to fit back in. Have I folded this right? I think I have. I think I have folded it right. Yeah, I'm sure I have. Oh dear. This is going to be one of these things where I'm going to go, right, I'll do that off camera. No, it's still don't want to fit. Okay, right, I think that might be out. Anyway, let's put these bits in. Oh dear. Right, let's get these bits in. There we go. Okay, so let's put them to the side. That is amazing. Okay, so let's go back to the box. Right, so we have, oh, that's nice. A lovely little rose. Wow. Wow, amazing. Right, okay. Right, I'll always say that go for the things that look the most awesome last. So let's have a look at what these are. These are quite tightly done. So, White Star Line, Royal and United Mail Steamers. Ah. Right, so cabin passenger contract ticket. Wow. So that is like a ticket for the Titanic. Wow. That's amazing. Okay. First time I've ever seen a ticket. Cell phone, yeah, okay. Right. I'm not too sure whether that's... Yeah. Okay. I just wondering if that was first or second or third class. Doing something like this, it probably would have been first. I've really got to put this in tight now. Okay. So I can just get it back in that loop. Now I'm thinking the next one here will be exactly the same. But, okay, that's nicely put back in place there. So I'll put that in there. Oh, this is amazing. I'm thinking this is exactly the same. So it basically tickets for 2 people. Wow. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Use my phone if you heard that. It's typical. Right, so exactly the same as before. Wow, amazing. Right. Just trying to wrap this up as tight as I can. Right, there we go. Okay, right, that's now on nicely. So that leads us the next on to this. Now I don't think there's anything in the bottom. No, so I'm not missing anything. Okay, so let's just move this box to one side. That's lovely. So, right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, if you haven't obviously watched the film, so this is the famous necklace, the Heart of the Ocean. I'll get this out here. Wow. That is amazing. Wow. That is unbelievable. Just the way that. Oh, goodness me. That is fantastic. Sorry if I forgot. I do actually have up and running is my close-up camera. There we go. Something's working. So if I just pop that onto there. Let's twist my hand. The close-up camera used to be on the right hand side, now it's on the left hand side. I'll just show you that there. That is amazing detail. Wow. Fantastic. Well, I'm going to say thank you very much, Peter. That is amazing. That is really going to add to my Titanic collection. Really is. And then obviously we come in this, got this lovely little presentation box. Let me go for the back to the overhead. There we go. So obviously there you've got the presentation box that it comes in. Wow, amazing, absolutely amazing. So I'm just gonna pop that back in there to make sure it's safe and secure. Reseal that up. Just yeah, secure that up there. Then obviously we have this amazing box. I'm gonna put that into there. There we go. And then we have the little rose. That is really nice. Just trying to. Did it go that way? I can't remember. Right. So if I can do that and do that, I want it to try and fit in. I don't want anything to get squished. Yeah, it's getting a bit squished there. Oh dear. Right, so that there. That there. Hopefully this time we have a winner. I think we do. I think we do. I think we do. Yeah, there we go. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. And look, I mean, this box is gorgeous. It really is. So if I try and let's see if we can do this, guys, while we're here. Okay. So which way do we want it round? Do we want it round that way? I want it round that way. Let's figure this out. Well, I probably think, yeah, go around there. Somewhere. Ah, there we go. There we go, that's on. So, let me, is that working? Yes, it is. There we go. So if, now I can put that catch on there. We can get our little padlock. Wow. Oh, there we go. And we just put the padlock through there. Close it up. It's all locked away. Wow, and then obviously if we want to unlock it, we just get his key, pop the key in, and we open up the padlock. Fantastic, that is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Okay, so if we go back to overhead, there we go. Yeah, so thank you very much, Peter. That is absolutely amazing. And what I'll do is I'll get all this, you see just bits of tape there. I'll get all that off, and then yeah, I will put that with the Titanic collection, which is behind me on my shelves. Wow, I am absolutely blown away. Oh my goodness. Wow, amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Sorry, I'm lost. It's very few times I'm very lost for words, but whew. Okay, so yeah, thank you, Peter Webster. Like I said, I put his channel in the link in the description down below if you'd like to go check that out. I'm going to go off and have a little examination of this. But that is phenomenal. It really is. Wow, wow, wow. Amazing. Yeah, oh, yeah, lost words. So, yeah, thank you very much, Peter Webster. Absolute star, absolute fantastic supporter of the channel. And, yeah, this is definitely going to go pride in place in my Titanic collection. So, if you like this video, please can you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.